welcome back to another juice video. Thank you for coming back. So this is a simple easy juice video I am going to show you today. Please remember to subscribe if you're new and like the video. So here I have some apples, ginger, pineapples, carrots.
Best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious.
Here you have it, guys, a glass of refreshing, healthy, delicious fruit juice. Try out the recipe, guys, and if it's your first time here, please remember to subscribe to the channel, touch my notification bell so all it will alert you every time when I post a new video. Comment underneath this video, give this video a thumbs up, share it out, be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Thanks for watching. Walk good, be good, do good, and good will always follow you. Bye.